Alright, so we had like 6 or 8 inches of snow here. My car's been off for 5 days. Just cleaned it off, shoveled it out so I can go to work today. Shoveled out my driveway and stuff too. So, let's see if this thing starts. And by the way, if you watched my other video, the entire walk around, the other fog light does work now. See if you can see it there. There we go, both of them. And I also got a JDM Type R steering wheel, because I'm fresh. Anyways, so this is a cold start, super cold start after 5 days. Hopefully it's not a fail. Let's see what we can do here. Oh, doesn't want to beep. She lives. Sounds a little rough, but she lives. I'll let it run for like 10 minutes. But yeah, and the wheel. Got the red stitching. My hairy legs.